ask me how bright LEDs are. In words, all I can say is bright, very bright, or extremely bright. But words mean nothing, so rather than tell you or baffle you with the science of lumens, how about I show you instead? Fortunately, our motorhome has a largish dining area with a double light fitting up over the table. I'm 6 foot tall, and you can see how much headroom I have, so the light needs to shine down effectively to light up the table. Now, I filmed this bit of video during the day, and I'm going to come back tonight and fit the light fitting with our range of LEDs and take some still shots without the flash so you can see how effective each disc is. For main area lighting, the G4 disc 5050 6SMD would not be a good choice. These are better suited to a small concentrated area like under cabinet downlight fittings, where the illumination area is less than 900mm, or for applications like reading lights that are closer to the user. For lower ceilings, like in most caravans, the G4 disc 5050 12SMD is ideal in a double light fitting. For higher ceilings like our motorhome, this option would be somewhat underpowered. The 5050 12SMD disc is also a very good option for G4 type downlight fittings, where there are multiple downlight fittings using the same circuit. Whilst the 5630 type LEDs are up to 3 times brighter than the 5050 type, the smaller surface area of the G4 disc 5630 6SMD has a more concentrated spread, so it's not really great for a general lighting area. However, they are good for a mid-level spotlight application. The G4 disc 5630 9SMD could be an option for a lower ceiling height where a very bright light is required. However, these discs are really better suited for outside awning lights where there are 2 or more light fittings using the same circuit. The G4 disc 5630 12SMD is an excellent choice for a twin light fitting fitted to a high ceiling like our motorhome. The 5630 12SMD is also a very good option for an external awning or bunker lights to replace halogen or incandescent bulbs with the appropriate converter, which we have available for all 12 to 24 volt DC bulbs. The 5630 15SMD disc have an extremely bright output, but possibly too bright for most internal applications. For converting a single element external awning or bunker light to LED, the G4 disc 5630 15SMD with the appropriate converter, in my opinion, are the duck's nuts. The 2835 type LEDs are relatively new to the LED scene, and power-wise they are very efficient. In terms of light output, the G4 disc 2835 12SMD sits about midway between the 5050 and the 5630 LEDs with the same SMD count. There are some G4 type light fittings that are too small to take some of the discs previously mentioned. The G4 disc 2835 12SMD has a smaller footprint, so it's ideal to use in the smaller downlight fittings and will provide a very good light. The G4 disc 2835 18SMD is too large for downlight fittings and probably too bright for most internal applications anyway. These are better suited for external light fittings that are reasonably high up. The larger size of the disc will give a greater light spread. Internally they could be used for an occasional work light. If you are ever in doubt as to what LED will fit your light fitting, or what converter or adapter you need, simply email some photos of your light fittings to sales@MadAboutLED.com and I'll do my very best to help you.